Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use a tool called Vysor on your Windows 10 operating system. So Vysor is a tool which lets you to control and view your Android screen on your computer. So let's get started and let's see how we can use Vysor on our Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, just open your favorite browser and search for Vysor, Vysor. And the first link which will appear here will be from Vysor. So I'm going to just click on this link, and once this website is open, straight away you will see the downloads button here. So I can just click on this downloads button, and once I click on the download button, there are these options here. We wanted to download the Vysor on our Windows operating system, so I will just click on the Windows option, which will start the download of this exe file. So I will wait for this download to complete. So once this executable file is downloaded, I will just click on this file and I will just say remove protection and open, and then minimize the browser. So you can see this window, it started this kind of window. So now you can see this icon which is available on your desktop, and also you can see this window here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on these share all devices and international keyboard, and now you will see this window which says Vysor needs to log in with your Google account. This will open in the new browser. So I will just click on this sign in with Google here, and then you will see this kind of code here. So just copy this code from here, and then I will just paste this code here where Vysor wants it to be pasted. Okay, so just paste this code and then submit. So you will be signed in with your Vysor account, and here I will just say OK. And once this is done, you will be able to see no device found. Make sure Android USB debugging is enabled. So at this point, you can connect your phone to your Windows operating system via USB. So I'm going to just connect my phone on my Windows operating system via USB, and then I will just allow the access here. And once I allow the access, I will be able to see the serial number here, and then I can just click on the view option. So I will just click on view, which will start this emulator where I will be able to see my Android phone screen on this Vysor tool. So you can see this is my Android screen, and let's say I will open this Google Play app here, and from my Windows also I can just move these icons with my mouse here. So this is my mouse, and I am moving and controlling my Android using my mouse. So this is a cool feature here. I can even just click on any app which is going to open that app. So everything is working, but I see one little problem here, and that is the resolution. So this resolution is really low here because we are using Vysor for free. That's why this resolution is really low. So if you want to increase the resolution, you can go to the settings at the top. So just click on open device settings, and then once again open that window, and here all the options which are unchecked or unselected, these are the options which are available for the upgraded version. So you need to pay something for using those options. For example, full screen mode. So when I just click on full screen mode, this will just show this window which says full screen mode feature is only available for the pro users. So these all options. So you can see video quality. So right now it's the lowest quality possible which is visible to us, but if you want to increase the quality, we need to upgrade this Vysor to the pro version, which I don't want to do right now. But if your work is such that it involves this Vysor app regularly and you want to just show your window on your Windows 10 operating system, you can also consider upgrading your Vysor tool, and then you will be able to see this window resolution in high quality, right? So this is how you can install and use Vysor on your Windows operating system. There is one more thing I want to show here. So for example, I will just close this window, and on the Vysor window I will remove my USB cable. That means I have disconnected my phone from my computer. So after connecting your Android phone to your computer, if you still see this error, that means you have to enable the USB debugging on your Android phone. So that process is also easy. So if you find any problems after connecting your Android phone to your computer, then just click on this link and this will open this kind of web page, which is also from Vysor.io. And in this video it is shown how you can enable your USB debugging on your Android operating system. So just follow the steps and enable the USB debugging, and once that's done, you will be able to use your phone with the Vysor tool. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.